All right, here we are. We have Bean Boozled.
In Elijah.
Wait, okay, so what color are you going to try first?
Wait, hold on. Let me see what black is.
Black is either licorice or stinky skunk.
This one.
Okay, stinky skunk or licorice. Okay.
Put it in and chew it. Go. Chew it. Do it. It's probably going to taste bad. It's got to taste bad either way. Neither of those are good. What do you think it was?
Was it skunk?
Skunk.
Oh, we'll save it. I want to try a little skunk. If you just take a nibble off, let's try it.
Wait, what's
Okay, what color?
green?
Green is lawn clippings or lime.
Oh, that's safe.
Okay.
I'd try the green one.
Lawn clippings.
Lawn clippings? Tastes like grass?
I want to try more.
Yeah.
Give your brother one. Okay, which one is that? Wait,
Let me see it.
Ariana, what color is it?
That's either rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
Try it.
Get back where Mom can see you.
Come here. Okay, do it.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Was it a rotten leg? Did you like it?
This one's supposed to be dog food.
Oh, okay, dog food
Dog
or...
food or chocolate pudding.
Chocolate pudding! Yes.
I need another
Tastes
one.
good.
Okay, give your brother one of the blueberry ones, or it could be toothpaste.
Here,
Then-
you try chocolate pudding or dog food.
Good. Try the white one.
Dog food.
Oh, it had specks!
Why aren't you spitting it out?
It's kind of good.
Let's try the white one. Alright. This one's supposed to be stinky socks, cotton candy, or bubblegum.
Which color is it?
Why did you eat the dog food? Okay.
Okay. Huh.
Well, she has a stuffy nose. This isn't. She shouldn't be doing this game today. She can't taste
Cotton
anyway.
candy.
You don't
All right.
know.